Uh-oh, is it getting hot in here or is it just me? Hey everyone, I'm Chili, your friendly neighborhood AC. Summer's coming and boy do I need a tune-up. That's where Devi Air Conditioning Solutions comes in. They're the experts who keep me running smoothly all summer long. Plus, their preventive maintenance helps me stay efficient, saving you money on energy bills. Oh, and did I mention? A well-maintained AC like me means cleaner, healthier air for you and your family. So what are you waiting for? Give Devi a call today. Remember folks, stay cool, stay smart with Devi.